traders, we're looking at gold. Okay, it's been pushing up into these highs. This is on a weekly time frame. I'm going to give you a couple of trade ideas here. You can see also how this is fairly extended, and we'll go down to the daily. All right, the thing to note here is this this wick pin bar. We've got these, well, two candles here, two dojis. Okay, so there's real indecision going on at the moment. I'm bullish, but you want to be careful around this current level. If you pick up a Fibonacci from low to high here, I think for me an ideal entry point would be around the 50 to 618, and I say that on the basis that bigger players will be looking for a discount. And at the moment, if we consider this price swing low to high, the discount is anywhere from this 50% under. Okay, so at the moment it's trading at a premium. So that's an idea on the daily. So we could set a limit order here, and there's a 2.7R. I'm just going with this Fibonacci projected 50% of this price swing, right? Projected up and projected once again up here. So let's have a look at this on the 4 hour. Okay, so there's a couple of ideas. Now, the daily and the 4 hour, okay, they are, look, seriously, both it would be the same thing for me with the 4 hour time frame. See how we've got this lower high here, and we've had this pin bar. So you want to be a little bit careful at the moment. Whenever I see a spike like this, a sharp spike and a pullback, now we're seeing, you could call this a double top with a bit of a spike through. I'm wondering whether this is gearing up to actually retrace and pull back a bit deeper than it currently is. So I'd be reluctant to get involved at this level with a buy, even though we have, if you're running with a 4 hour time frame strategy, I mean, that would be theoretically, right, swing low, swing high, 50% retrace, 50 to 618 fib zone, could be a buy here, stop loss below, but I mean that would be risky. Let's just throw in a long position. You could go in at market if you wanted to here. Okay, that's one idea. But understand that the risk is much greater given the volatility of gold and the fact that we've got this double top more or less, and I'm wondering, or even a lower high here, and I'm wondering whether we're going to actually see more downside. Now, the other thing to look at is if we pick up this trendline tool, let's just grab high to low here. Now I'll increase it so you can see what I'm doing. 2 pixels, there we go. Alright, look at these pullbacks now. Okay, so we've got this relatively measured move. Well, I mean, we had that spike up, but a pullback, given that we've had these kind of moves in recent times, that wouldn't be out of the question. And that brings me right back down into this 50 to 618 on this price swing here on the daily and 4 hour. So we'll just work from this swing low to swing high. So I'd be okay to set up a pending, a limit buy order here. Stop loss would go below, say, these lows here. And again, I'm looking at this projected 100 or minus 100 on the fib. I'll show you what I've done on the fib here. This is just a 50%. So I've got minus 0.5 and minus 1 take a screenshot if you like. Okay, and all that is consider this A, B, C, D measured move. Well, we'll pull it down to the 50. 50% of this price swing. So I'm always looking at, if it's bullish, I want to get in at a discount. I don't want to be buying at a premium. So the discount would be below the 50 to 618. And we're going to project forward an A, B, C, D measured move. So there's a target right there, and that'll give you a 2R target. All right, but you know, you could extend that, pull your stop loss to break even or better once you reach 1R, you know, one-to-one risk reward, and then, you know, trail it up, because that would give us a 3R target, and that would be really nice. So that's my take on gold at the moment. Yeah, it's bullish, but be careful. The volatility, I mean, look at this pullback here. All right, so don't underestimate how far this can pull back. And I think that would pretty much, that covers everything I wanted to cover, guys. And that's my take on gold at the moment. A limit, that's speculation. Understand the risk. Have a look at my risk management video, the one I did prior to this one. I think it's really, really important. If you're struggling to be profitable, I think you really need to understand some concepts around risk management, protecting your capital, and also, you know, have a well-defined strategy. And I've done a video on that as well. You'll find it in here in my list of videos, guys. Love to hear some feedback. Definitely comment, share the love, and with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.